Hey guys, how you doing? Dave here. Today we're making this. This is chocolate ganache cake, double layer. It's absolutely delicious. You're gonna love it, so let me walk you through it. So what we're gonna do is start off with 2 cups of flour. And this is just all-purpose flour. A cup of cocoa. I love that dust. And 2 cups of sugar. This might seem like a lot, but you know what? It's a treat. So add in a teaspoon and a half of baking powder, baking soda, and a pinch of salt. Just to bring out those flavors. Give this a mix up until it's well combined. Next up, the wet ingredients. So we're going to start with a cup of milk. Half a cup of vegetable oil, and then 2 eggs. A cup of boiling hot water, and it really has to be boiling. See that steam? And once again, a mixing we will go. Oh, it's kind of funny, this stupid mixer wasn't plugged in. It's plugged in now. Okay, we're just going to spray a couple of baking pans with some baking spray. Line them with parchment paper, and you want the baking spray just so they stick. Pour the batter in. This looks so yummy. And we're going to put these in a 350 degree Fahrenheit, 177 Celsius for about 40 minutes. After 40 minutes, I'm going to insert a toothpick and just look at this, guys. So we're just going to let this cool, I'd say for about 10 minutes. So what we're going to do is run along the sides just to loosen things up. And put this on a wire rack. Something like this. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and give this a little trim just to flatten this out. Because you kind of want a flat cake, you know what I mean? So once we've trimmed this up, we're just going to let it cool completely. Okay, so let's make up our ganache with a cup of chocolate chips. And these are just semi-sweet chocolate chips. And some cream that I've heated up in the microwave. And we're just going to stir this until everything comes together. Let this cool down just a little bit till it thickens up. So what we're going to do now is pour it onto the cake. Okay, so I put this on the cake trays, put the other cake on top of this cake, and pour the remaining ganache over the top, just so it fully covers. And this looks incredibly delicious. And there you have it, guys, our chocolate cake with chocolate ganache. Absolutely delicious. So let's get this a taste test. Guys, This is heavenly. You've got to try this. It's so good. For the full scoop on this recipe, head on over to cookandshare.com. All kinds of great dessert recipes over there. You're going to love it. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, and see you next time.